Well, there is a mission to clean up the city of Detroit, the D. Today, community members will come together to make Detroit a bit safer. Local voice Katrina Hancock is behind the initiative, and this morning, she's already on the city's east side. She's been bringing us live reports all morning, and she's a part of this big cleanup. Katrina, what do you have planned for today?
Well, I have big plans, and I'm hoping that a lot of the trash in this neighborhood, from Chalmers to Hayes, East 7 Mile to Seymour, will be cleaned up because the grass needs to be cut as well. It just needs to be safer for the kids. I want to let the pictures, though, tell the story of this neighborhood. Take a look behind me. There's a brand new house, but look what's around it. You've got trees, you got trash, but their yard is mowed. And then if you look beyond that, this is on the corner of Saratoga and McCrary, a house that's been burned down. The roof is caved in. It needs to be torn down. The bushes are overgrown. It's a mess. So here's what we're doing. We're meeting at 8 o'clock on the corner of Chalmers and Seymour at Mount Calvary Lutheran Church, and we're cleaning up the neighborhood. This is the second time we've done it this summer, so if you'd like to help out, come and participate. The area is, again, Chalmers, Hayes, East 7 Mile to Seymour, and come out, and we've got gloves provided, food's going to be provided. Come on out and help us today. Live on Detroit's East Side, Katrina Hancock, Local 4.
All right, good efforts out there. Thanks so much, Katrina. Well, it is